Hi, this is Leslie Josel, academic and parenting coach of Order Out of Chaos, and you are watching another episode of Lessons with Leslie. So how many of you have checklists posted all over your house in the hopes that your child may see it and even then may do something that's on it? I'm thinking most of you out there do, and I'm also thinking most of you out there are like, you know what, they just don't work. They walk right by it, they don't see it. I know that. I have kids of my own, and I find that checklists are like clutter. It just becomes mess, and you, after a while, you just don't see them. So here's a tip for you that I want you to try. I've had great success with it, not only in my own home, but with all of the families that I work with. Because here's what I figured out. Checklists tell your child what they need to do, but they don't tell your child how to do what they need to do. And if your child might not know how to do something, or they might have to do a little bit of that heavy lifting to figure it out, they might just not do it. So try directions instead. And here's what I mean. So this is just an example. It doesn't have to look super boring. I just did it this way for you all to see it. You could do it fun and colorful. And even one of my best tips within a tip is to actually take a photo of your child doing what it is you want them to do. For example, so let's say we're going to put Legos away. Your checklist might just say clean up Legos. But what you could try instead is these types of directions. So we would do Legos on the floor. So you could actually take a photo of your child playing with Legos on the floor so they see it. The next one is Legos in the bin. So then take a picture of your child actually taking his Legos and putting them back in the bin that they came from. And then the last step would be Legos on the shelf. Take a picture of your child actually taking the bin and placing it back on the shelf or wherever it goes in your house. And post those where you want them to see it. I guarantee you, you will actually get your child to clean up their Legos. Now, if you like these tips and tools, and I am thinking you absolutely do, I want you to head to our website at orderoochaos.com. And if you want to get some information about the products and programs that we also offer, you can go to products.orderoochaos.com. Either way, you are going to find a ton of tips and tools and resources to help you and your student get organized and time managed. Hope to see you there.